How to turn on Ringer on your Android. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily turn on the Ringer on your Android device. So what I'm talking about is if you are getting any calls and you can't hear them, today I'll show you guys how you can turn it on so that you can easily hear when your calls are incoming. So the very first thing you want to check is if your phone is in silent mode or not. You can do that by going over to your settings and then scroll down to sounds and vibrations. And here, as you can see, you'll find different sound modes. So I have sound, vibrate, and then I have mute. So if you have set this to vibrate or mute, you won't be able to hear the ringtone in the incoming calls. So make sure you set this to sound, and you can turn on vibrate while ringing so that it's easier for you to notice whenever you're getting a call. The next thing you want to do is make sure that your do not disturb mode is turned off. So you can do that by going over to notifications, and then you'll find do not disturb over here. I've turned on the do not disturb currently, so what you want to do is just basically turn this one off. And then from here you want to go back, go to sound and vibration, go to ringtone, and then from here you want to just tap on the ringtone and hear if that's working. You could also use the volume slider up top, like so, and you should be good to go. Now, if none of this works, then you have to try to restart your device and then ask someone to call you. That should probably work. That's pretty much it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.